Good morning. Welcome to today's webinar organized by VVC Mysuru. I would like to give the webinar on security in medical image communication. I would like to take this opportunity to thank VVC management under Principal Dr. B. Sadashivagowda, and also like to thank Dr. C.M. Patil, Professor and Head, Department of ECE, and appreciate Dr. Sandeep R. and Mr. Kiran for the initiation to organize this 5-day faculty development program on research opportunities in signal processing. Myself, Dr. Parmeshachari BD, Professor and Head, Department of Telecommunication Engineering, GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women, Mysuru. Today's my outline presentation: image security, classification of image security, image steganography, image watermarking, and image cryptography. Securing communication is an important aspect in the present era of digital and wireless communication. Objective of communication security is to protect the message from unauthorized users. Today, various people utilize distinctive applications to image data transfer. By far most people use their images for various customers using social application. The attack on these social applications can copy or hack the important data. For better usage of these applications, users are using it on their mobiles, tablets, etc. The protection against the hacking attacks on those web or available is placed. There exists distinctive data security framework for multimedia data. These present security framework are either using encryption or steganography or combination of both. There is diverse securable image encryption that can be especially for protection against the unauthorized access. I transferred over the internet having important data of military and security associations, social or adaptable applications. Security is most important issue during transmission of medical images, as the medical images are sensitive, so it is necessary to protect them. Due to advancement in telemedicine field, security of medical images is becoming more important. Telemedicine is important because it enables consultations by remote specialists, loss-free and immediately available individual patient information, and improved communication between partners in a healthcare system. Recent advancements in public healthcare system provide an easy way to assess patients' health record, treatment history, and medicine used records through cloud storage for effective health delivery. So we need to secure medical images and other data on the patient is not only for privacy purposes but also deter the manipulation that might occur by malicious person during the transmission from one medical center to another. If a medical image is tampered with and sent to a specialist or a radiologist, this could lead to a wrong diagnosis that might cause severe problems or death. Therefore, securing the image in an efficient manner has received much attention. So next we have moved on to the classifications of image security. Basically, there are two types of security systems. One is information hiding techniques and another one is cryptography. So first we can discuss image steganography. So steganography is the art of hiding information and an effort to conceal the existence of embedded information. It is invisible communication has been possible through steganography. In steganography, original image is concealed in the cover image to masquerade the intruder or the hacker, and the resulted image is called stago image. Here the secret key is used in this process at the center side. Subsequently, the same key used at the destination to obtain an original image from stago image. Steganography and cryptography are different from each other. Cryptography concentrates on retaining messages content secret. The steganography concentrates on the secrecy of the existence of a message. So we can move on to the diagram basic steganography model. So here we have the cover image and secret message, and finally we will get the extracted message. So if sender wants to send a secret message, to some recipient over the insecure communication channel. The sender embeds the secret message into cover image by some embedding method to produce the Stago image. Here the key can be used to find out the location in C to hide the message. Then the Stago image is sent to recipient. Upon recipient, the recipient uses extraction algorithm to retrieve the extracted message. So next we have to go on to the image watermarking. So here the image watermarking is another information identity technique which attempts to tackle the problems of unauthorized copying of digital media and proof of ownership by embedding a piece of data called watermarking into the media. Watermark resembles steganography in data embedding, but their objectives are different and therefore are evaluated using the different criteria. A watermark is recognizable image or pattern which appears as various shadows of lightness, darkness when viewed by a transmitted light caused by thickness or density variations. Watermarking is the technique which attempts to tackle problems of unauthorized copying of digital media and proof of ownership by embedding piece of data called watermark into the media. Encoding and identifying code into digitized music, video, image, or other file is known as digital watermark. Digital watermarking technique is implementing the concept of watermarking in digital media. Digital watermarking is the process of embedding information into a digital signal which may be used to verify its authenticity or the identity of its owners. In the same manner, the paper bearing a watermark for visible identification. In digital watermarking, the signal may be audio, pictures, or video. If the signal is copied, then information is also carried in the copy. So as we know that there are two types of watermarking. One is visible watermarking and hidden watermarking. So hidden watermarking is also called as invisible watermark. So visible watermark, the information is visible, which is a text or logo which identifies the owner of media. Invisible watermark is an embedded image which cannot be perceived with human's eyes or intended to prevent or deter the unauthorized copying of digital media. So I would like to give an example here. So here the original image and the watermarked image. You can observe the first image. So it is the text is watermarking here. So in the second image, so the logo is watermarking. So next we have to go for invisible watermark. So original image and the watermarked image. So there is no difference at all. So both are similar. So here the existence of an invisible watermark can only be determined using an appropriate watermark extraction method or detection algorithm. So next we have to go for image cryptography. So as we know that cryptography is converting from intelligible form to unintelligible form using an encryption operation, and we can get back the original data with decryption operation. This is the general block diagram of cryptography process. So we have to converting from input medical image into ciphered image using the encryption operation, and also it can be transmitted through public channel. From the we can recover the medical image from ciphered image using decryption process. So there are two types of cryptography. One is the secret key cryptography and another one is public key cryptography. So secret key cryptography is also called as symmetric key cryptography. So with this type of cryptography, both the sender and the receiver know the same secret code called key. So messages are encrypted by the sender using the key and decrypted by the receiver using the same key. In public key cryptography is also called as asymmetric key cryptography, uses a pair of keys for encryption and decryption. With public key cryptography, keys work in pairs of matched public and private keys. Cryptographic technique is used when secret messages are transferred from one party to another over a communication line. Cryptography technique needs some algorithm for encryption of data. So next we will move on to the comparison of the steganography, watermarking, and cryptography. So we can compare with the different types of different characteristics parameters. So these three techniques, so cryptography, watermarking, and steganography, is used to store the message, secure the messages. So the basic difference between steganography, cryptography is that cryptography scrambles the data, whereas steganography hides the data. Cryptography here scrambles the secret data in such a way that it appears to be scrambled to the unauthorized persons. Okay, the secret data to be communicated is a mixture of permutation techniques or substitution techniques and fixed manipulation techniques. Eh, So the any unauthorized person cannot receive the message. Steganography is a different from cryptography. Rather, it hides the data, whereas cryptography encrypts the data. Steganography, there is no chance of any unintended user to know the message is being sent, whereas in cryptography is always a suspicion that a message is being sent. Hence, these are more prone to be hacked or suppressed. Watermarking is generally used for authentication and copyright protection. Watermarking can be used for creating a image in order that it is recognizable. It can also be used to mark digital file so that it is intended to be visible or visible to its creator. The main purpose of watermarking is to prevent the illegal copying or claim ownership of digital media. The common characteristics between steganography, cryptography, and watermarking is that only the transmit secret information in such a way that only receiver is able to decrypt the data. Steganography requires a cover media to carry the secret information, and watermarking requires carrier object which is intended to protect. These similarities create a link within them, and hence some modifications can lead the transportation from one technique to another. Due to similarities between these, it is difficult to distinguish between both, but actually there is a remarkable difference between them. So cryptography encrypts the data in two methods, so secure or unbreakable, and breakable systems and the unbreakable systems. So for example, cryptography used for online shopping and banking, so the credit card number and the expiry date of the credit card and other informations are encrypted, sent so that an unintended user or the unauthorized person cannot access the details. So here we can observe the key is very important. See, in cryptography, key is play a very important role while securing the data. So, but in watermarking and the steganography, so key may be optional. So here we are comparing the both all these techniques with respect to the different parameters. So from this comparison table, can be clearly state that neither of three can provide the secure transmission, but in order to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of medical data, cryptographic techniques can be adopted. Future work can be done in way to combine the cryptography and steganography techniques to provide secure way of confidential data. Thank you.